Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Firedisc Grill is probably one of the most versatile and portable cooking solutions available for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a unique flat-top griddle experience that sets it apart from traditional grills, making it an excellent choice for everything from backyard barbecues to camping trips and tailgating events, ensuring delicious meals wherever your adventures take you. Number 5. King Kooker 24WC Heavy-Duty Propane Outdoor Cooker. Introducing the King Kooker 24WC, a heavy-duty outdoor cooker designed for your adventures. Its robust construction ensures durability for all your camping and hiking needs. This portable propane cooker boasts a powerful 54,000 BTU cast burner, perfect for quickly preparing meals outdoors. Its 24-inch frame is designed for stability and ease of use. It comes complete with an 18-inch steel wok, featuring a recessed top ring for secure placement. This ensures your cooking experience is both safe and efficient. Setting up is a breeze with the included LP hose and regulator. You'll be ready to cook in no time, enjoying delicious meals wherever you go. Crafted in the United States, this outdoor cooker is built to withstand the elements. Its portable design makes it ideal for any outdoor living space. Experience reliable performance with this CSA-certified cooker. It's the perfect companion for anyone who loves to cook and entertain outdoors. What we like. This cooker boasts a powerful 54,000 BTU burner, ensuring quick and efficient cooking. It comes with a large 18-inch steel wok, perfect for stir-fries and large batches. If you're looking for a portable propane cooker that can handle high heat and large quantities, this is a solid choice for outdoor gatherings. What people say. The propane burner is adjustable and provides a wide range of heat control, from a low simmer to a high sear. The cast iron griddle heats evenly and retains heat well, making it ideal for searing steaks and cooking pancakes. The grill is portable and easy to set up, making it perfect for tailgating, camping, and backyard cookouts. Number 4. GameMaker Open Fire Cooking Grill. Discover the joy of cooking over an open flame with this versatile outdoor grill. It makes campfire cooking fun, quick, and easy for any adventure. This campfire cooking system is built to last, yet incredibly portable. Take it anywhere your adventures lead you. Setting up and adjusting the cooking height is a breeze, requiring no tools. Simply lift and set to find the perfect cooking position. Its sturdy design ensures stability next to your fire. You can easily pivot the grill and skillet for convenient cooking and serving. Enjoy over 300 square inches of cooking space, perfect for any meal. It comes complete with everything you need to start cooking. This is the ultimate solution for cooking over an open fire, whether you're camping or enjoying your backyard. It works with any type of fire. What we like. This grill is designed for the authentic open fire cooking experience, allowing you to cook directly over flames. Its adjustable height feature gives you precise control over the heat. If you love the rustic charm of campfire cooking and want a durable, portable grill that sets up easily, this is ideal for your camping adventures. What people say. The propane burner is adjustable and provides a wide range of heat. The grill is easy to assemble and disassemble for transport. The cooking surface is large enough to cook for a group. Number 3. Firedisc Ultimate FlatTop Lid. This accessory is specifically engineered to be compatible with all our Firedisc cooker models. Its exaggerated features ensure a perfect fit every time. Featuring a high-heat, rubber-molded handle, it withstands extreme temperatures. This design safely prevents heat transfer, keeping your hands protected. At 22 inches, it fits securely on all our cookers. The integrated silicone flavor seal locks in delicious tastes as you cook. Control your culinary creations with the adjustable air vent. It allows hot air and smoke to escape, giving you perfect control over moisture and flavor. This cover pairs perfectly with our steaming grate. Elevate your cooking with perfectly steamed vegetables and meats. What we like. This lid is specifically designed for Firedisc cookers, ensuring a secure fit and locking in flavors with its unique seal. The adjustable air vent allows for precise control over moisture and flavor. If you own a Firedisc cooker and want to elevate your cooking with steaming or controlled moisture, this accessory is a must-have. What people say. It's a great grill for camping and tailgating. The grill is easy to set up and take down. It heats up quickly and cooks evenly. Number 2. Firedisc Backyard Bundle Cooker. Introducing the ultimate outdoor cooking experience. This versatile cooker is perfect for any backyard gathering, offering unparalleled convenience and flavor. This comprehensive bundle includes all the essential tools for grilling mastery. From spatulas to tongs, we've got you covered for every culinary creation. Crafted in a striking fireman red, this cooker is built to last. Its robust construction ensures durability while adding a vibrant touch to your outdoor space. Designed for ease, setup is a breeze. Enjoy more time cooking and less time preparing with its user-friendly features. Whether it's a casual cookout or a festive feast, this portable cooker is your go-to for delicious meals. Take the flavor of your backyard anywhere you roam. This bundle provides everything you need for an exceptional grilling experience. Elevate your outdoor cooking game with this all-in-one solution. What we like. This backyard bundle offers a complete outdoor cooking solution, including the portable propane cooker and a range of essential accessories like spatulas, tongs, and a cover. If you're looking for an all-in-one package to get started with outdoor cooking without the hassle of buying individual pieces, this bundle is perfect for you. What people say. The propane burner is adjustable and provides a wide range of heat control, from a low simmer to a high sear. The cooking surface is a generous 22 inches in diameter, providing ample space for cooking multiple items at once. The grill is made of heavy-duty steel and is built to last, with a durable powder coat finish that resists rust and corrosion. Number 1. Firedisc 20 inches. Ultimate 380 Steaming Grate. This essential kitchen accessory is specifically designed to be compatible with all Firedisc cooker models. It's built with exceptional features for a perfect fit. Our 20-inch round grill grate is a versatile steaming tool. It helps preserve the natural flavors, nutrients, and freshness of your vegetables, seafood, and meats. Crafted from heavy-gauge stainless steel and reinforced with chrome-plated steel wire, this barbecue grill rack is built to last. Enjoy years of reliable use. Never misplace your tool again. It features a convenient built-in hook on the handle, allowing you to easily hang it on the edge of your cooker. This stainless steel rack is an excellent companion to the Firedisc Ultimate Flat Top Lid. Elevate your cooking experience with perfectly steamed vegetables and meats. What we like. This steaming grate is made from heavy-gauge stainless steel, built to last for years of use. It's designed to perfectly complement the Firedisc Flat Top Lid for enhanced cooking capabilities. If you want to add versatility to your Firedisc cooker by steaming vegetables, seafood, or meats while preserving their natural flavors, this grate is an excellent addition. What people say. It's a fantastic grill, and it's very easy to clean. It is a very stable grill, and it is also very easy to assemble. It is a very stable grill, and it is also very easy to assemble. It's a fantastic grill, and it's very easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.